Understanding, calling it a day. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, calling it a day. This expression is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, calling it a day, is an idiom. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When someone says they are calling it a day, they mean that they are finishing what they are doing for the day, especially work or an activity that's been going on for a while. It's often used when someone decides to stop working after a long day. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help us remember them better. The phrase, calling it a day, has been in use since at least the early 20th century. It likely comes from the idea of calling, or declaring that the day's work is finished. In the past, this might have been literally calling out to others to inform them the workday was over. Today, it's used more generally to signify the end of any activity. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. After a long meeting, John said, "I'm exhausted. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow." 2. We've done a lot of gardening today. I think it's time to call it a day. 3. It's already 8 p.m., and we've been studying for hours. Let's call it a day. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of situations, not just in a professional or work context. It's also useful to know some similar expressions or synonyms. Here are a few. Wrap up. This means to finish or complete something, similar to calling it a day. Pack it in, often used informally. It has a similar meaning to ending work or an activity. Knock off. Another informal way to say stopping work for the day. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, calling it a day, confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun and effective way to improve your English and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily English. See you in the next video.